children, we are about to begin a new poem. The poem titled A Time to Believe. Its poet is B.J. Morbidger. This is an motivational, optimistic poem which tells us that we can achieve all our hopes and dreams providing we believe in ourselves and have a positive outlook towards life. The poem goes this way. To believe is to know that every day is a new beginning. Is to trust that miracles happen and dreams really do come true. The poet emphasizes that in our self-confidence, in our self-belief. Therefore, the poet makes it sure that we have a new beginning. Every day is a new beginning. The poet is really clearly stating. Whatever we think we do regularly or daily, it has a new beginning. The third line goes, is to trust that miracle happen. Whatever activities, whatever work, whatever learning we do, my dear children, think that you are going to motivate others. You are going to impart positive attitudes, positive vibrant in others. That is our dream. The next line says, and dreams really do come true. Why are we studying regularly? Why are our parents after us? Why are they spending so much money for our studies? Because they have their dream that our child, my child, should prosper in the life. What is your dream? You want to be well nurtured children of your parents and responsible citizens of this nation. And therefore this is your dream. Everybody has expectation, and therefore the poet emphasizes about dreams really. If you are sincere in your hard work, in your daily studies, the dream is fulfilled. Second stanza, to believe is to see angels dancing among the clouds, to know the wonder of a stardust sky and the wisdom of the man in the moon. Stardust stands here the magical quality. Again in the second stanza, the poet stated the same first line. To believe is to. And therefore again in the same note he comes over here that we are angels. We are gifted children of this earth, on this planet. We have to be very, very motivated, optimistic, dancing, moving around, not as a gloomy face, not as a sad, not as a burdened person. On this planet, we have to move like a free bird. In the sky, clouds are freely flowing and moving here and there. That kind of spirit and attitude should be there in us. To know the wonder of a stardust sky. The sky has two magical qualities. The cloud moving around and knowledgeable people. And therefore, we are here in the midst of shining moon. We have to be an element of the shining moon. So therefore, these are the magical quality of a sky. Sky is very, very vast. We are living in this earth which is very vast. And therefore, there are a lot of children are enjoying their days, dancing, but with the hope of becoming better. And therefore, we want to have a create wonder and magic on this earth from our knowledge and in a shining moonlight. To believe is to know the value of a nurturing heart, the innocence of a child's eyes, and the beauty of an aging hand, for it is through their teaching we learn to love. Nurturing here stands nourishing, giving care and protection and keeping something alive. Innocence stands for purity of heart. Aging stands for growing old, experienced person or matured person. In this stanza, the poet trusting, creating a trust among yourself because you have a heart, tender heart. Though it is tender inside, but day by day it is being nurtured, taken care by your parents, by your teachers and by your friends. Lot of innocent knowledge you have. Your eyes are open to learn something new, and therefore with a great expectation from a learned, experienced people will look ahead. We await for their valuable knowledge from their experience. And what we learn from their experience, we vibe, we inside in our heart and we let others to grow. So therefore, in these three stanzas which I narrated and illustrated in my own words, there are lot of positive qualities are being highlighted. First thing we have seen in the first stanza, wonder. Second stanza we found wisdom and the value. And the third stanza we have seen innocence and the love. These are the positive qualities. Again here, poet once again makes us to believe. There are again 6 things we need to believe. First thing, every day is a new beginning, children. We can create wonders in the line of miracles happen. That dream come true, we make them to realize what we have expectation. People have expected from us. Then that there are angels dancing among the clouds. Fifth, that the sky has a magical quality, motivational quality. And that lastly, there is a man in the moon who is wise. We are knowledgeable and understanding person. We cater the needs of ours in order to propagate our knowledge and our wisdom to the whole world. Thank you very much.
That is so